Are you frustrated getting a great mix either in your recorded songs or live mixes? Wouldn't you love to have the confidence to mix using a variety of techniques that make records sound like records, right? Hey, it's David Wills here, and I've been working in live and pro recording environments for well over 30 years. And my goal in this brand new masterclass in mixing is to get the tools in your hands so that you can start mixing and producing the type of sound that you hear on the radio or on a record. Basically, look, everybody knows that we have all the tools we need, right? Far more than a lot of our heroes had way back in the day. But a lot of people's frustration is that their songs fall apart at the most critical time, and that is in the mix. In this masterclass, I'll go through all of the workflow, tools and tricks available, including organizing your workflow, working with templates, the rough mix, building the mix, using automation, as well as nailing down all of the tools that we use in mixing, including balance and pan, EQ, compression, gates, harmonics and distortion, transient processes, delays, reverbs, limiters, and editing tools. We'll then go through all of the different types of routing, including parallel versus inline, aux buses, subgroups, VCAs, DCAs, gain stage, and signal flow. Now, once we nail all of the tools and the routing methods down, we'll then go through and mix 2 songs from start to finish. And to show different ways of mixing, I'll mix one using the mixer type interface of Reason, and the other song will be mixed in the more traditional workflow of Pro Tools. In fact, all of the source files, both audio and MIDI, are included in the package, so you can drop them into your own DAW or even your hardware recorder via USB and follow along and basically mix right alongside with me. We'll basically go from source tracks that sound like this
Say bye to your yesterday.
to this.
A brand new day is just begun. The future's so bright, you got a light in your life, little one. Can I be there next to you?
And it's worth noting that I haven't used any $1 million plugins that you'll have to buy to get these results. I've simply used stock plugins that come with Pro Tools, and you get the same results in your own Pro Tools setup or Cubase or Logic or any basic DAW for that matter. So pick up your copy of the Masterclass in Mixing and immediately see a huge improvement in your mixes, both in the recording and also the live environment. I'm David Wills, and I'll see you in the course.
Elvis Presley, and Elvis Presley did not have another #1 song until Billy remixed Suspicious Minds in 1969. So there's a break there.